Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I must say January went a bit left, so I'm starting my year in February. Today, if you haven't guessed by the title, I've come to you to talk to you about full-time travel. Just getting my cup of tea. I've actually been back now almost a year. I feel like I can give some gems. I've been, traveling full time. I've done it twice. First time was around Europe, and that was pre-COVID, and this is the second time was literally during COVID. So as soon as they opened back the borders here in the UK, I was like, listen, I'm out. Me and my boyfriend was out like literally 2 weeks later or a week later. 2 weeks later, because obviously we had to sort stuff out and put stuff in storage and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, now I'm back. It's been almost a year and I'm ready to talk. So tip number one for you guys, I would say get yourself a GoPro. Now the one that I have, I'm actually filming on. This is what I use to film everything. Like, it's so beat down. Like I can try and get my boyfriend's one and show you guys which one I have. I think it's the GoPro 7. It has been on like mini trips with me. I've taken it underwater. I've dived in cenotes with it. I've done literally everything, been in the sea with it, and it's actually rocking real good, real good. So I would recommend getting a good GoPro, and the reason why I say a GoPro is because you can use it not only like this, but you can also use it underwater. And if there's a camera that can do both, then I'm gonna buy it. I don't know about all the specs and all that kind of stuff. This is my camera that I use to get started off on YouTube, so I don't really know all the specs and stuff. You're gonna have to do your research on that one, but I do know that it's a fantastic camera. Aside from that, I do also have a tripod. My one is actually broken, but let me see if I can get it for you guys. Hold on. So this is the actual GoPro. Absolutely fantastic. Don't watch my nails, I haven't gotten them done recently. And this is the case that I use for it when I'm going like swimming underwater or something. Absolutely fantastic. I would recommend, highly recommend. This is the tripod slash handheld thingamajiggy that I use. You can literally pull out the legs and everything like so. You literally twist this bottom bit here, and then it pulls the legs out. If it wants to right now, it's not really doing what it was supposed to. There we go. You can pull out the legs and place it flat. There is also this part right here was actually another attachment which my phone goes onto. If I can find the link somewhere on Amazon, I will insert it here. You can actually snap or like do a TikTok video or whatever and use the GoPro at the same time. So if you're ever in a place where you need to do both, this right here is an absolute lifesaver. The only thing I would say about the GoPro is that the battery life is an absolute pain. I think it's a maximum of 1 hour. So yeah, just be aware of that. And I would definitely recommend getting a couple of batteries because they will be needed, especially on like excursions and adventures and stuff. You're gonna need the extra batteries. Second tip is do not overpack. Honestly, I swear to God, when I started traveling, in fact, I've got a clip somewhere. Let me insert the clip. When I started traveling, I literally packed one big suitcase, one big hand luggage, plus a rucksack, and I think I had a couple of side bags as well. Like literally way too much, and that quickly downsized because I was like, nah, it's too heavy. I was literally drawing so much attention from people that like you don't want the attention. That's all I'm saying. You don't want the attention of what's in them bags. Also, the bags were literally so heavy. All the guys from the hotels that I was in, they had to literally help me drag it. My boyfriend already had his bags, and yeah, I had to literally get help from anyone in the hotel that wanted to help me to get my bags, because I was like, this is too heavy. The bag couldn't even stand up because it literally will just fall over. So you can tell how heavy it was. And this right here is the bag now. It has honestly gotten through the mud with me. It's got numerous compartments and pockets. It's got this lovely bit to put your water bottle in. I don't know if you can actually see this. Is this a good angle? I don't know. I'm still learning, guys. Yeah, literally, it opens out to like a mini suitcase. You see, I've opened it out. You've got that side and you've also got this side like that. So it's super handy, and the brand is from Chloe. Did I say it right? I don't know. But this bag has been a lifesaver. It's my ride or die. If I'm traveling, I've got like a mini suitcase in my back. It honestly is the best thing ever. Tip number 3, I would say absolutely be organized. Now, the first time I went traveling around Europe, I was not organized. The way I kind of like winged it, some of the flights that we actually did book beforehand and some of them we didn't. It was good, but it was less planning. We should have been more organized. We made a lot of mistakes in terms of buying tickets for places that we shouldn't have bought. So I would say be organized. Now, one thing I'm gonna help you guys with is letting you guys know how to get organized when it comes to traveling. Now, I didn't have this the first time round, but I made it the second time round that I was traveling full time, and I made it an official full-time travel planner. It's got a packing list, it's got an itinerary planner, it's got a COVID checklist. It's literally got everything that you need in a travel plan. It's got a budgeting sheet, it's got an ideas sheet, it's got a places I want to go sheet. It's literally got everything. And I'm not saying this because I made it, but if you guys want to go and, you know, spend a few little coins on it, then you can go ahead and do it. And let me tell you, it really does make a difference for you to be organized, because no more making mistakes out here, you know what I mean? We got to be organized. It's 2023. What do you mean? Ooh. This next tip, girls and guys. Now, I may sound like a hypocrite right now because I have been super inconsistent with my vlogging, but the first time around I went traveling, I vlogged quite a bit, and then, you know, we had, you know, problems in terms of missing flights and all that kind of jazz. I really should have vlogged it all, but I didn't. So this brings me on to my point of saying, make sure that you vlog. Honestly, I started this YouTube channel so that I can look back and, you know, in the future with my kids, watch these videos and be like, yeah, mum and dad did this or whatever. Sounds super corny, but the truth is the truth. That's why. And I felt like I wanted to vlog a lot more of my life. What I didn't do the first time I went around traveling is be consistent with my filming. I did film, but I just kind of fell off. And so I would say be consistent, and please do vlogs, even if it's for your own self, if it's not for a YouTube channel. Just, you know, have something to look back on. But seriously, vlog and be consistent with it. Also, sometimes you may think that a video is not going to get that much views, or it's pointless to, you know, to film. My highest viewed video is like 11k. It might not be much to you guys or to some people, but it's a lot to me. As a new YouTuber, it's actually a lot to me. So my video with the highest views, which is 11,000 at the moment as we speak, that was my Panama video. Whilst filming that, I was like, I don't really feel like anyone's gonna want to know this information, but I was filming it anyway, just in case, and I did put it out there, and look where it's at. So honestly, guys, even if you feel like something's not gonna get that many views, listen, make sure you film, because it could. You never know what's gonna happen. So thanks guys for watching my video. Honestly, these are the few tips that I would say would definitely make a difference if you're looking to full-time travel, or if you have already started your full-time travel journey. Get yourself a GoPro, be consistent, don't overpack, stay organized, and honestly, vlog. Because these 5 things, I honestly think would make an absolute difference to your full-time travel journey. I've got 117 subscribers right now, and I'm hugely grateful for you guys, because, you know, I remember when I had like 30. So I'm working my way up little by little. I just need to be more consistent. But thank you guys for watching my video, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Keep drinking your tea, guys.